I got warning. Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Hardin County, Illinois, east central Massac County, Illinois, southeastern Polk County, Illinois, northern Livingston County, Kentucky, west central Crittenden County, Kentucky, until 11 a.m. At 10:23 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles south of Golconda, or 12 miles northeast of Metropolis, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Joy around 10:35 a.m. Rose 10:40 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Carsville and Elizabethtown. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Good Lord.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11 a.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Hardin, Massac, and Pope, and the following counties in Kentucky: Crittenden and Livingston.
My left arm's getting hurt.
A tornado warning remains.
My left arm hurts thanks to this. I just know that there's going to be a tornado warning for Davis. I can just feel it.